Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Chevy, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2017 Chevy Silverado LTZ Z71. Stock number 28350BT. Gorgeous truck. It's an ivory white in color. The LTZ Z71 package is amazing on this. We've got front parking assist, fog lamps, 5.3 liter automatic, 4x4. These big chrome wheels here. Looks like polished aluminum. They are 20-inch. Tires are brand new on it. This vehicle's only got 13,000 miles. Big chrome running boards, full crew cab, power driver's seat. We've got a tan interior with brown accents on it. Very sharp interior. Of course, you got heated seats, ventilated seats, big touchscreen radio, leather wrapped steering wheel, heated steering wheel, integrated trailer brake control, nice center console. These buckets in this truck look really sharp. It's got OnStar, Bose stereo system, sunroof, memory seats, power windows, locks, mirrors. Lots of room in the back seat here. Sliding rear window. Got the spray-in bed liner. As I said, brand new tires. Rear backup camera, rear backup sensors, tow package, locking tailgate. Paint's in excellent condition. Interior's in great condition. Power passenger seat as well. A good looking truck. (2017) Chevy Silverado Z71 LTZ. 13,000 miles. Here at Chevy, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.